The helmeted friarbird, Philemon Buceroides, is a bird species native to Australia. It is known for its distinctive, helmet-like casque on its bill, which gives it its name. This casque is used for feeding on nectar and fruit. The bird is also recognized by its loud, melodious calls and distinctive plumage. It is commonly found in northern and eastern Australia, often in forests and woodlands. Here are the interesting facts about the helmeted friarbird. Unique beak shape. One of the distinctive features of the helmeted friarbird is the casque, helmet-like part, on the top of its beak. This casque is used for sipping nectar and foraging for food from flowers. Loud calls. The helmeted friarbird is known for its loud and melodic calls often heard when communicating with others. Their sounds can resemble quack, quack, or yow. Wide geographic range. This species can be found in various parts of Australia, especially in the northern and eastern regions. They often inhabit forests and woodlands. Omnivorous diet. Helmeted friarbirds are omnivores. They feed on nectar, fruits, insects, and sometimes even small pieces of meat. Social behavior. These birds are often seen in large groups, especially when foraging for food. This can create an interesting sight when a flock of helmeted friarbirds gathers on a flowering tree. Role in pollination. Like many nectar-feeding birds, helmeted friarbirds play an essential role in the pollination of flowering plants as they feed from flowers. Protection and conservation. Similar to many Australian bird species, the habitat of helmeted friarbirds can be affected by environmental changes and forest loss. Therefore, conservation efforts and habitat preservation are important to maintain their populations. I hope these facts add to your knowledge about the helmeted friarbird.